बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Hope you all are fine. Today our lecture is subject maths 8th class, unit number 1, operation on sets. First, we describe about set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects or symbols. The objects are called members or elements of set. We also call these members or elements which are right in the curly bracket. Representation of set. The method of representation of sets are statement form, roster form, set builder form. In statement form we can write set Z is the set of integers that lies between -1 and 5. In roster form we write A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can also here write the alphabets A, B and C and so on. In set builder form we write it as x such that x belongs to 1 and x is greater than -1 and less than -5. Recognize some important sets and their notation. Set of natural numbers represented by n, with natural numbers start from 1 and whole numbers start from 0, and we represent it by w. Set of integers represented by z. Here we can write here the same numbers as the number line show. For example, minus on the left side and positive numbers on the right side and 0 in the centers. Set of prime numbers. We represent it as p equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Set of odd numbers by O plus minus 1. Both positive and negative numbers are included in set of odd numbers and set of even numbers. In set of even numbers 0 is also included. Set of real numbers. Q is equal to P by Q such that P and Q belongs to integers. Z represented the integers. Here V reverse V shows or Q is not equal to 0. Here we can see that we write all the set of members in curly bracket. Empty set. The empty or null set is a unique set that has no members. It is denoted by phi or curly brackets. Singleton set that have only one element or one member. For example, here we write it as 4. We can also write other alphabets like A, B, C, but only one can be written in the singleton set. Equal set. The two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have same elements and their order does not matter. As we can see in the examples, A is equal to B. In disjoint set, the two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if the set does not contain any common element. For example, A have 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing is in common, so these sets are disjoint sets. Next, subset. Subset. If every element of set A is also in set B, then A is described as B. Subset of B or contained in B, written as A is a subset of B, and we can here pronounce it as A is a subset of B. This symbol shows the containment of numbers or letters or alphabets. Subset have two types, improper subset and proper subset. In improper subset, A is equal to B, but in proper subset, the elements may be same or only one element can be eliminated. For example, here we can see 1, 3 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, the empty set is a subset of every set and every set is a subset of itself. Phi is a subset of A and A is a subset of A, means a set is a subset of itself. Power set. A set consists of all the possible subsets of a given set A is called the power set of A, and it is denoted by P. We start written the A in the curl brackets, not in curl bracket but in the small bracket form PA. Next, exercise 1.1, write all the subset of the following set. C is equal to AB. In curly bracket we can see the set. The subset of A and B are 5, Here we can also write only the blank curly brackets A, B and AB. Next, write all the proper subset of the following set. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Proper subsets equals to 5, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Write the power set of the following set. A is equal to ABC, P, small bracket A equals to curly bracket start 5. Here we note that the power set must be written in the curly bracket. 5, A, B, first we write separately, then we write 2, set of 2 and then set itself. We can see that in proper subset we cannot write here the 1, 2, 3 numbers together because every set is an improper subset of itself. Operations of set. Union. The union of A and B is denoted by A union B. In A union B, we just added or together the elements of A and B. For example, 1, 2 union 1, 2, we write it as 1, 2, and in union of 2, 3, we cannot write 2 times, we just write 1, 2, 3. And in the last 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5 union, we just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, intersection. A new set can also be constructed by determining which members two sets have in common. In intersection, we just write the common members. In examples, we can see 1, 2 and intersection 1, 2. Here, the common, both 1, 2 are common, so we write it as 1, 2. In 1, 2, next example is 1, 2, intersection 2, 3. We write only 2. 2 is the common between these two sets. And the third one is 1, 2, intersection 3, 4. Nothing is common, so we write here it as 5 or only the curly brackets blank. Complements. The relative component of B in A, the complement of A in U. Two sets can also be subtracted, and here we represented it as A/B or A minus B. Is the set of all the elements that are members of A but not members of B. It is valid to subtract members of set A that are not in set B. In certain setting, all sets under discussion are considered to be subset of a given universal set U, in such that U/A is a called absolute complement or simply complement of A, and it is denoted by A dash or AC. Both are represented the A complement A dash or AC. A dash is equal to U minus A. Examples: 1, 2 minus 1, 2. Here we write it as 5 or empty set, because if we minus 1, 2 from 1, 2, we have the empty set 1, 2, 3, 4 / 1, 3. Here we know that 1, 3 is also in set A, so we just write 2 and 4. Properties of sets. There are the simple properties: commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Here commutative property we have just write A union B equals to B union C, or we can also write A union C or C union A. In associative property we have three numbers: A union B small bracket, B union C equals to A union B union C. In distributive property we use both union and intersection. As we can see, A union small bracket B intersection C equals to A union B intersection A union C. Next is the De Morgan's law. Law of union equals to A union B dash represented the complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Law of intersection. First we use here on the left hand side the intersection sign. A intersection B complement equals to A intersection union B intersection. Exercise 1.2. Verify A union B equals to B union A. Set A have 1 to 10 numbers and set B have 7 to 12. Here the sets are in curly brackets. We in union A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on 12. All the members till 12 are included. Next, B union A. First we write the B set union A set. Here the answer from one equation 1 and 2 is same. So we can write it as from 1 and 2 A union B is always equal to B union A. Next, A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Here we have again the same sets of A and B. A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on 10. Intersection 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have common numbers which are common are 7, 8, 9, 10. And B intersection C, first we write the B set, intersection A set, and the common numbers are 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 3 and 4 it is satisfied that A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Next question is if A is equal to ABC, B is equal to BDF and C is equal to AFC. Here we can see that the alphabets are the sets, members of set. Show that A union B, B intersection C in small bracket equals to A union B intersection A union C. First we solve the bracket, small bracket, which is B intersection C. So we write already use here the curly brackets, and next is the large bracket or square brackets we use. First we intersection BDF intersection AFC, we write it as here the common is F. So next we union of both ABC and F, which is ABCF. This is equation 1. Now the right hand side is equal to A union B intersection A union C. We can calculate at the same time, but just we write both of them in the square brackets. ABC union BDF equals to ABCDF and intersection ABCF. We have these common numbers which are or alphabets ABCF from 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thus A union B small bracket B intersection C close small bracket close equals to A union B intersection A union C. Verify De Morgan's law. U is equal to set of natural numbers, A is equal to empty set and B is equal to set of prime numbers. Solution. First law is the law of union. So here we write A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. First we take A union B. A is equal to empty set, union set of prime numbers. We here write capital P, which is if we both union we can write it as set of prime numbers. And next we complement A union B, which is it means U minus P. This is equation 1. Now we solve the right hand side. A complement intersection B complement. Now A complement equals to U minus A. U minus phi is equal to U. And B complement equals to U minus B, which is B have the set of prime numbers, so equals to U minus P. Now we have the A complement and B complement. We intersection both A complement and B complement equals to U intersection U minus P, which is equal to U minus set of P here the set of prime numbers. From 1 and 2 we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Second law. Second law is the law of intersection. A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. First we solve as it is the left hand side A intersection B complements. Now first we derive A intersection B equals to phi intersection prime numbers, which is empty set phi, or we can also here write the blank curly brackets. And A intersection B complement equals to U minus A intersection B, which is equal to U minus phi. Thus we have the again universal set U, which is equation 1. Right hand side is equal to A complement union B complement. Now A complement equals to U minus A, which is equal to U minus phi universal set, and B complement equals to U minus B, U minus set of prime numbers. Now we can find the A complement union B complement. We just write the answers of A complement and union B complement. Union of U minus P, which is equal to universal set. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2 it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side.